I have a 2019 Yamaha Raptor 90 that we're going to do an oil change on. Let's get started. The manual says it's going to take 0.85 quarts of oil or 0.8 liters of oil. I'm going to use 10W40, and you need to make sure that it has the JASO standard MA. This is the oil that I'm going to use. I picked this up at the dealership, and you can see right here it does have the MA endorsement. I'm going to use a 17mm socket. Now this Yamaha Raptor 90 will not have an oil filter, but it does have this oil screener here. Now to put this assembly back together, this is going to go up into the bike like this. Then you have the larger part of the screen that will go over the strainer. The tapered part will go inside of the drain plug, and then you just simply tighten that down. Locate the dipstick. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Again, this is going to take 0.8 liters. And if you look on the side of your oil, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So 0.8 liters is going to be 800. So what you need to do is pour all of this except 200 down at the bottom. Double check, make sure you don't have any leaks. Thanks for watching.